Hi, my name is Serene Golcheron, and I am doing San Juan, Puerto Rico. So here you see it is part of the Caribbean, even though it is U.S. territory. So I'm going to scroll in. So this is Puerto Rico, and here's the capital, San Juan, which is what we are focusing on. So I'm going to go here and show you my place marks here. So here is San Juan, the capital. Let's zoom in here. San Juan has existed, became a territory in 1521, and it stayed under Spanish rule until the 1800s, and it is the largest city in Puerto Rico. And then some place marks here. So Old San Juan has buildings dating back to the 16th century. Let's get another view here. The Castillo de San Cristobal was built by the Spanish to protect against attacks to the city. So that's this area right here. And then the port, the San Juan cruise port, is one of their main terminals for cruises into and out of San Juan.